So we started 8 years ago in development services with the BEM methodology. We mapped all the core processes, and one of the urgent needs was to streamline the permitting process. We're doing it during a very big economic boom, and there was a lot of growth, and there was a lot of customer dissatisfaction with the cycle time for issuing building permits. And over the course of 4 years, we were successful in building team-based efforts that were performance-driven, establishing metrics for time and quality, monitoring the data, and undertaking improvement efforts. And then there was an economic downturn. And one of the things that happened during the economic downturn is that the process maps and the team-based effort was very successful in really getting to a much leaner process and streamlining the process to deal with the loss of employees. Then following that, in this past fall, in fact, we were faced with needing to procure a new software system for the permitting process. And at that point, it became apparent that that permitting process, that development services had done everything possible to improve that process within their control. And that what was breaking down that process had to do with the contiguous processes that were owned by other departments. So we brought Don James back, and he did a comprehensive and accelerated program to basically streamline the entire permitting process that involved 27 processes in 7 different departments. And I personally was completely amazed at how this toolbox can be used at that scale, because it was so complex and no one could see through the forest through the trees. And it took breaking things down first, process by process, and then consolidating the processes and seeing all the commonalities between the different actual functions that people were doing. And it came down to there's basically 5 modules and 1 process. And now you have all of these departments working together to configure the software system according to a common platform. And I had never seen anything like it. And dealing with complex problems has been my whole career, that this methodology really was successful in bringing the people together to commonly define the problems and break them down so that a simple solution could come forward and a common approach could be established.